Today's an exciting day in Sarasota because we're talking about the boat show. Yes, it is back. It's happening at Marina Jack and begins today for a weekend full of fun activities. Let's go ahead and check back in with our friend Nicholas Pantner, Business Development Manager for the Suncoast Boat Show. You are there. Looks fabulous, Nicholas. I'm jealous. How you doing today?
Oh, we're great to be back here in Sarasota, Florida, downtown Marina Jack area. Obviously, we've been working for the last 4 days, setting up another great show here.
And I know it's a biggie. I know there's so much fun activities that are planned. What are you looking forward to most? Because as we're seeing right now, it is the premier boat show on the Gulf Coast.
That's correct. Obviously, and for this upcoming show, we have over 230 boats in the water alone, about 60 more on land. We have a massive retail tent, which you can find anything from electronics for your boats, T-shirts, hats, fishing pole, arts, you name it. That'll be here at the show.
Good stuff. Hey, I do want to address one thing because, of course, it's fun. You can kind of, peruse, maybe get your wish list or look at what you want to purchase all there at the Suncoast Boat Show. However, there is a charity component just to show how dedicated you are to the community. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, every year and for every show, we do partner up with different, obviously, philanthropies, organizations within the area to give back to that community, obviously protect our waters.
And even something for the little ones, too. We talked about the environment, helping give back. What about giving kids a chance to get involved? I love this. Talk about what you're doing with, of course, the Sportsman's Channel host, Captain Don Dingman. What's that about?
Yeah, actually on Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have some seminars dedicated towards the kids, and they will be receiving a free rod and reel after the seminar is over. So lots to do for the adults. If they want to join the kids, they're more than welcome to. And obviously, Don Dingman's been doing a great job over the past few years with us.
I talk to people who attend boat shows regularly, and they do talk about how this is a great way to get out with their kids and have fun with their kids and see like the enjoyment and hopping on the boats and things. Do you get to see that from your position, how boat shows really are for families?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, we love seeing the kids show up. They see the big boats and they see the little boats. They see the jet skis and the kayaks. So obviously, they're trying to get their parents to make a purchase right away.
Good stuff. I don't blame them. By the way, it's happening this weekend. And of course, 43 years happening, as we just saw right there. We do want to pass along a special. Tickets, $20. Kids, of course, 15 and under are free. And active duty military, they've got a special, don't they?
Correct. Yeah, that'll be their complimentary.
Awesome. SuncoastBoatShow.com. Nicholas, have fun for us, okay? I'm glad I got to check in with you.
All righty.